Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is freedom. Freedom through your faith, for your obedience, through you continue to move forward. Capricorn, out of everyone, you have been building, just like the earth sign you are, you've been building foundations and the building to your blessings. That's not only going to bless you. This feels sexually natured because it is your gift. When you're in your gift, it does not feel like work. It just feels like a service, and we're here to serve. We're here to help. And you're in prime candidate to help change the entire world because you put in all of the work. So welcome to freedom, because you have done all the work. Keep on stepping towards your freedom. Keep on building through that blueprint, pink print, that timeline. Meet your deadlines. Stay faithful. Do not give up, because you come too far to stop now. And you have a great, beautiful gift that I need and the whole entire world needs. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. Doubt, resentment, and guilt, they will run away once you do not acknowledge them. Understand those are weak qualities. You're not weak. Once you spot a weakness within your character, within your aura, the great thing about you that you can change into a strength. Dig deep, and that's your superpower. I work to free myself from darkness, from that job, from that ball and chain, and you're using your gifts to propel you to a life of ease, love, light, and enjoyment. I cast off negative thoughts. I find peace in my heart, and I discover that I am the being of light, and it shines deep within you. Let your light shine, baby, shine. I know you've activated at this point. I want you to continue to let it illuminate. I want you to continue to let it shine bright so the entire world can see it, because I need you. The whole world needs you. So once again, love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.